Whenever someone mentions Daisy BB gun, it often brings back memories of learning how to shoot tin cans with Dad out in a field or possibly even in the backyard. Daisy has manufactured guns of various types for more than 130 years. Originally, the company was named the Plymouth Iron Windmill Company and operated in Plymouth, Michigan around 1882. By the late 1880s, sales of windmills were declining. The founder of the company, Clarence Hamilton, began looking for new ways to attract customers. In 1888, Clarence brought the prototype for his new air rifle to a board of directors. When the president of the company, Lewis Cass Hugh, fired his first shot, he said, "Boy, that's a Daisy." The name stuck, and the rumor is that the BB gun went into production and was given to farmers when they purchased a windmill. The BB gun became such a success that the company began manufacturing Daisy BB guns instead of windmills in 1889. On January 26, 1895, the board of directors officially voted to change the name of the company to Daisy Manufacturing Company, Inc. The 1930s brought international fame to Daisy with their models that were endorsed by famous Hollywood and comic strip stars. Some of those included Buzz Barton, Buck Rogers, Buck Jones, Davy Crockett, Zorro, and Annie Oakley. But perhaps none are as famous as the Red Ryder model, which was first produced in 1940 and named after a comic strip character and hero. Other than during World War II, it has been in continuous production ever since, despite the comic strip coming to an end in 1964. In 1983, a movie that was released called A Christmas Story renewed or even strengthened the model's popularity even further. The film was centered around a young boy named Ralphie who wanted a Red Ryder BB gun. Despite being told by multiple people, including Santa Claus, that he would shoot his eye out, he ends up getting one for Christmas. The movie itself has become a Hollywood classic and has helped cement the popularity of the Red Ryder BB gun. World War II brought hardships on Daisy, as well as many other companies in the manufacturing industry. Steel was in shortage due to the war effort, so the company shifted from BB guns to making 37mm shell canisters, washers, gaskets, electrical switches, and various other little pieces. They continued to make guns, but they were wooden toy guns, and they had two models, the Chattermatic and the Commando. Many of the pre-war models of the BB guns were never produced again, but thanks to the popularity of the Red Ryder model, the company bounced back into full production in 1947. Daisy relocated its manufacturing facility from Plymouth, Michigan to Rogers, Arkansas in 1958. There, Daisy expanded its product line to include CO2 guns, pellet guns, .22 caliber firearms, and most recently, paintball guns. Throughout the years, Daisy has manufactured around 100 models of toy guns and nearly 400 different models of BB and pellet guns. Daisy made their first firearm in 1968, which was revolutionary at the time. It was called the VL0001 and was fired with a type of propellant similar to rocket fuel. In 1990, Daisy began manufacturing their Legacy line of conventional .22 caliber firearms. There were 6 models in total: 2 single-shot rifles, 2 bolt-action rifles, and 2 semi-automatic rifles. However, both the firearms and the VL models were short-lived. Today, Daisy is just as popular as ever and is known as Daisy Outdoor Products. They focus on manufacturing toy guns, BB and pellet guns, slingshots, airsoft guns, paintball guns, and accessories. Their corporate offices, assembly operations, and a museum are still located in Rogers, Arkansas. However, if you look at many of the BB guns, you'll notice that it does say Made in China on them. Do you have a special memory connected with Daisy? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching.